This video presents the inventory dashboard, from which all devices within the installation can be viewed and managed. On this screen, a list of all devices is displayed in a table format, which can be adjusted according to user preferences. The table includes relevant information for each device, allowing a general overview of the status of the equipment across the project. In the top left-hand corner, a search field allows devices to be filtered based on the information available in the table fields. For example, devices can be filtered by manufacturer, serial number, or equipment model, making it easy to locate any device within the installation. This enables simple and efficient filtering across the entire installation. On the right-hand side of the screen, a list of subgroups is displayed, allowing devices to be organized and the installation to be segmented according to project requirements. The table contains multiple columns with specific device information. To the right of these columns, a panel allows filters to be applied by column data, making it possible, for example, to display only matters from a specific manufacturer. Filters can be applied cumulatively, enabling very precise navigation through the device information within the installation. By clearing the filters, the view returns to the main inventory screen. The fields displayed in the table can be configured, allowing columns to be shown or hidden in order to simplify or expand the information displayed for each device. If the changes need to be undone, simply re-entering the inventory menu restores the previous configuration. To personalize the table and retain the changes, the lock icon located beneath the side tabs must be unlocked. Once unlocked, columns can be shown, hidden, or repositioned. After completing the modifications, the lock should be enabled again to save the configuration and set it as the default view. Finally, the information displayed in the table can be exported in different formats, such as XLS, CSV, or PDF. Once generated, the file will be available for download from the Download section.